Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2, today we'll solve test number 3 from Master book at November revision, okay, this month. Question number 1, show the correct answer from those given. Number 1, the polynomial x power 2 subtract 12x plus 9 is perfect square. What is the value of k? K here lies in the first, then k x power 2 equal, we can write middle term power 2 negative 12x power 2 over 4 product by the third. 4 product third term here was 9. Then negative 12 power 2, it will be 144, and x also power 2. 4 times 9 is 36. 144 divided 36 equal 4. Then 4x power 2 equal kx power 2. We can write k equal 4. It's coefficient of x power 2. And the value here will be 4. K will be 4. It shows letter A. Okay, write positive 4, not positive or negative. Okay, it shows letter A. Next question. Number 2. If x power 2 plus 2x plus 2 is one of the factors of the expression x power 4 plus 4, what is the other factorizing will be what? We know x power 4 plus 4, we can factorize the expression. We must add positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first and square root of the third, and write positive or negative 2x power 2 times 2 equal positive or negative 2 times 2 4x power 2. And then in the expression write x power 4 plus 4, right between them. Here sign will be positive and here negative. Positive of 4x power 2 and here negative 4x power 2. This expression will be perfect square. Okay, then you can write this expression and solve it in the simplest like this. Factorize x power 2 square root of the first and square root of the third, and write power 2 up, and raise the sign of the middle here, and write negative 4x power 2 equal 2x all power 2. Next step, you can factorize this expression here. This expression x plus 2 product by x plus 2, and this sign will be negative and positive. 2x power 2 equal 2x and 2x. Okay, then the simplest here about this expression, we have x power 4, not x power 2. This number was x power 4. Okay, this number was x power 4. Then we can factorize square root of the first and square root of the third, x power 2 plus 2, and then we can write square root about x power 4, square root of 4, and this number was repeating here and here, and write negative and positive, repeated about 2x and 2x. This number was repeated here and here, and this was also repeated here and here. And then you can simplest x power 2 plus 2 minus 2x product by x power 2 plus 2 plus 2x. This expression he give us first information. You can replace two terms inside these brackets. Right, x power 2 minus 2x plus 2 product by x power 2 plus 2x plus 2. And he give me in the example, look at here, x power 2 plus 2x, the first condition. He give me the first factor. What is the other factor? The other factor will be x power 2 minus 2x plus 2. Okay, look at the solution here. We will choose what? X power 2 plus 2x, and the other will be x power 2 minus 2x plus 2. Choose letter A. A is the second factors. We have first factor here. Look at here, first factor like this. Second factor will be here, x power 2 minus 2x plus 2. Okay, next question. What is the value of x about this question? We have two triangles here. We must prove two triangles congruent. Why two triangles here congruent? We have three sides in the first triangle equivalent the three sides. Look at here with me by mouth here. It's C line segment BC equal DB, and CA equal to DA, and BA is common side between them. Then two triangles will be congruent. Okay, then we can write the name of two triangles. First triangle, we called it what? This triangle. Okay, I will draw here to understood more. Okay, right, this right angle triangle, and this line segment down here like this, and this side maybe nearest to, okay, like this. These are equality. This line segment equal line segment, and we will draw this line segment up here to draw line segment here, a line segment up this point D and this point A, and this point P and point C. Okay, this line segment equivalent. He give us this angle was 60 degree. So two triangles we can congruent together like this. So this angle 66, it will be 66 also. He won't find the measure of this angle. Angle C will be what? We have here angle equal angle. This angle here equivalent because DB is the common between them. Then two triangle congruent. The measure of angle CAB equal DAB. And this angle will be 45 degree. So you can find the measure of angle X here. Right, 180 subtract the sum of 66 and 45. 100 subtract by 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 6 11. 10 minus 1 equal 9. And 7 minus 1 6. Then the answer will be 69 degree. 69 degree. Okay. Choose letter D. The answer will be letter D. Next question. From this figure we can find the length of x from Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is the value of x here? Look at here, we have right angle triangle. Then hypotenuse power 2 was x power 2 equal 20 power 2 plus 21 power 2. Then x power 2 equal 20 power 2 is 400 and 21 power 2 equal 441. We can add together here 1 plus 0 1, 4 plus 0 4, 8 square root of the answer of 841. It will be 29. Then the value of x here will be 29. Okay, choose 29 letter P. You want to find the value of x. Okay, next question. The given figure here, if DF is length of DF was 15 centimeter. Look at here, DF 15 centimeter. What is the length of F? Okay, we know about the rules. If we have straight line segment or straight line cut the number or extra parallel of sides or straight lines, then the included between them line segment will be equal a length like the first. We have in this example straight line AC, cut of them 3 parallel sides, and we have two parties equality here. Then any straight line which cut 3 line segments parallel or 3 straight line parallel, then we will find 3 parties or any parts between them, it will be equality like this. And also if the ratio between together equality is in the ratio between two parts equality. He give us this information. DF was 15 centimeters. Then we can divide it 15 by two parties. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 and here 7.5. And the length of EF will be half of 15, 7.5. It shows letter P. Next question. Which of the following numbers could be the length of sides of an acute triangle? Okay, to find the sides we must find the greater side power 2 less than sum of two powers of other sides. So we must about this number here, letter A. 4 root power 2 or power 2, it's a greater number. You must write 4 root 2 power 2 first, and 4 power 2 plus 4 power 2, and then combining between together. If this right hand side greater than left hand side, it will be acute angle triangle. But the inverse, if 4 root 2 power 2 greater than 4 power 2 plus 4 power 2, it will be obtuse triangle. And if we have equal to between them, it will be right angle triangle. Then 4 power 2 is 16, product by 2 is 32. And 4 power 2 16 and 4 power 2 16 equals 32. Then this triangle will be right angle triangle and also isosceles triangle and right angle triangle. Letter B, we can write also 10 power 2 is 100 and 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2, it will be 100. Then we have right angle triangle and scalene. letter C, we have the greater number here was 8, right? 8 power 2 and 7 power 2 plus 3 power 2 equal, we have 8 power 2 is 64. We can write 7.5 power 2 plus 3.7 power 2. You can use calculator to find the answer here like this. It will be 69 and 94 hundredths. Then this number greater, so this triangle will be acute angle triangle, because the right hand side greater than left hand side. We call it acute angle triangle. So you must choose letter C, acute angle triangle. Okay, letter C. Next question. The given figure here finds the value of x and y. Okay. That with me about these triangles. We have ED parallel to AP. Okay, and E is the midpoint between CA. Then D is the midpoint of CP. We can find the answer here by proof. Okay, I will write the steps to find the answer with me. Exactly. Okay, look at with me. First step, we can write in triangle ABC such that E is the midpoint of AC. Okay, understood? And also ED, the AD parallel to line segment AP. Then we can prove that now D is the midpoint of CP. Okay, D is the midpoint of CP, and also AD will be half of AP. So X will be half product by 20 equal 10 centimeter. The length of X here will be 10 centimeter. Also, we have ED parallel to AP. We have CA transversal of them. To find measure of angle Y, Y will be equal angle A. Y equal angle A. Okay, and we have angle B was 60 degree. We can prove also this triangle is right angle triangle. How this? Look at with me. EA will be equal EC equal 5 root 3. This line segment also 5 root 3. Then line segment CA will be equal what? CA will be equal 10 root 3. Okay, now 10 root 3 centimeter. We can prove that measure of angle C here equal 90 degree. How this? We have side ligament. Look at here. This triangle outside. This side length 10 centimeter and here 20 centimeter. And this line segment was 10 root 3. Now we can prove this triangle it will be right. How this? First step, we can write such that in triangle ABC, we have here what? We have AP power 2 and AP power 2 equal 20 power 2, it will be 400 equal 400, and we have CP power 2 plus CA power 2 equal, right here, look at here, CB was 10 power 2 is 100, and this line segment in root 3 power 2, it will be 300 plus 100 equal 400. Then this triangle will be right angle triangle. Okay, I will complete next. Okay, you can write this first and then write a next page. Okay, I will complete here. Okay, now we prove that measure of angle C is 90 degrees. Then measure of angle C will be 90 degrees. Then we have right angle triangle now. Okay, then you can find measure of angle A in outside triangle APC. Then measure of angle A equal 90 subtract by 60, you have 60 equal 30 degree. Now we want find the length of Y, or the measure of angle Y. This 30 degree. We have here corresponding angles. We have ED was parallel to AP and CA transversal of them, such that ED parallel to AP and ED is transversal of them. Then measure of angle E equal what? Equal 30 degree. Then Y will be 30 degree. So we found Y 30 degree. X found last time, X here was 10 and X 10 centimeter. Okay, it's an important question. First step, we must prove this triangle is right angle triangle by inverse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we have 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter and 6 root 3, 20 power 2 400 and 10 power 2 100 plus 6 or 10 root 3 power 2 equal 300 plus 100 equal 400. Then we have right angle triangle. To find the measure of angle y equal measure of angle E corresponding angles equal 30 degree. Next question, factorize each of the following. Number 1, k power 2 subtract by 36 m power 2. We can factorize this expression. K power 2 equal k, reduct k, negative and positive 6m and 6m, square root of the first and third. Number 2, ax plus bx plus p plus a. Two terms here, we can write height cofactor between them equal x. Write x height cofactor. Bax plus x equal a, bx divide x equal b, and this brackets I will write between b and a. Why? Because a plus b was repeated. This term a plus b and this expression here b plus repeated. Okay, you can write a plus b outside. Then a plus b times x divided a plus b equal x, and b plus a divide itself, it will be 1. Then the result will be a plus b times x plus 1. It's question number 2. Okay, next question number 3, x to the power 3 plus 27. We can open small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first x power 2, it will be x power 2. Cubic root of 27 is 3, and 3 power 2 is 9. And the middle, first by second, write negative sign, negative 3x. Okay, we finished, alhamdulillah, all examples of November thesis, and next time I will explain all revision with you about this book, inshallah. Okay, goodbye my students.